Yo, it's your boy Jeremy. I want to welcome you back to the channel. This is Profit X TV. And in this video today, we'll be looking at the watch list. These are cryptocurrencies that I am expecting to explode in the nearest future. Alright, so these are coins I have on my watch list because we know the market is currently deep in news here and there, but you know what's up. Just still need to position yourself for the bull run. So first on our list is the almighty Bitcoin, the big daddy of them all. So we know we've attained an all-time high at 100 and I think 110k or 109, yes, 109k, and we have a break of structure to the upside at this point. We had another one here. So basically we're expecting price to come within this range before we get this kind of move to the upside, which is what we are anticipating for the bull run. So this is our monthly time frame. If we go to the daily time frame to see what price is basically doing, we can see that there is a lot of consolidation around here, but price is basically gearing up to come down to this region. I'm expecting price to get to this region. So we're looking at price getting to the range of 70 to 65k before we get that surge back to the upside. Now, this is what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin. So let's go down to the 4 hours and see something, and let's see what price is doing. Basically, we can see that market is breaking down, it's breaking structures to the downside. We are seeing this, we are seeing this. All right, so we see this kind of movement throughout the past months. We are seeing movements like this, we are seeing movement like this. So this is what is obtainable for the meantime. Am I expecting price to get into this deep end before we start getting the greens in the market? So this is the first one I'm basically looking at, which is leading other cryptocurrency. So the second on my list is what's it called, Pepe USD. Now this is the second crypto I am looking at. So let's go to the monthly time frame and see what we have on the monthly time frame. Yep. Okay, let's do weekly. You can see that we have an all-time high here and we have an all-time low here. The market is falling really steep. So but this is what I am saying, right? We are this up move, and when price got to this point on the daily time frame, it swept the liquidity here and still came back down. But I will be expecting price to start gaining momentum the moment I see this. If there is a break of structure to the upside here, then I am positioning within this range to continue the move. Once I see price gets to this point, because now on the 4 hour time frame, this is what I'm saying, we're having this break of structure to the upside, which is like a change of character, right? So if this continues, I'm expecting this to happen. Price to come like this, take out this high. The moment this is done, it comes back into the range, tap into some certain liquidity here, then we have another movement to the upside. This is what I am currently anticipating on Pepe USD. So let's look at the next coin, which is Pepe Coin, also similar to Pep. Now you can see that we have let's go to the daily. On the daily, these are all-time low and these are all-time high here. So same thing I am looking at. I'm looking at a break of structure. If I see a break of structure to the downside, I know okay, the market is still bearish. But when I get a break of structure on the daily time frame to this upside, I'll wait for price to get to a deep discount within this region before I continue the buy. So imagine you're positioning yourself at this point. You're positioning yourself within this range here. That means after price has taken out this liquidity, you wait for price to come to the discount and you buy. You can easy 20x, 30x, or 50x your bag, because where is price going to? Price is going to this point. All right, so let's take a look at the other coin. We have Cyber on the list. Same thing. The market is in a deep discount. The market is even below the point of origin. But what I am expecting is what? For price to take out this eye. Now, I am looking at this coin also in relationship with BTC, based on the projection I have on BTC. Once BTC goes into deep discounts and start pulling back up, all of these coins will begin to follow this analysis. If you look at this, we have a break of structure to the downside here. So market has been giving us downward movement. But the moment I see price do this, then we know we have a change of character in the market and the trend is already about to change. So all I'll be anticipating is just a little retracement here, and boom, the market keeps pulling up. So the last one on our list is Portal. You can see all of them are following the same trend. And these coins have utility cases. That's why I am looking at them right now. So we have this break to the downside here. The market is actually creating liquidity here, and this is the daily time frame. But I will be much more comfortable when I have price break this high. So I'll be having a change of character. If price breaks this high, then as I've said, I wait for this price action. But if not, possibly for the meantime, we still have bearish movement, and we keep watching the market till the market give us a very good point to end. So if you've gained value, if you gained content from this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section on the kind of video you would like to see, and make sure you subscribe and join the Profit X family. All right, see you in the next video.